Today I'm working on a water heater with an Intelli-vent gas valve by Rodgers. Vacation AB. Number 2 is the most likely to occur on a water heater that's been previously working. First thing I'm going to do is shut off the gas supply. Then I'm going to remove the screws that hold on the cover to the burner chamber. Remove the wires that go to the gas valve from the ignition assembly. Make sure to grab the Molex connector itself and not the wires when pulling out. Loosen the flare nut from the burner gas supply to the gas valve. Remove this burner shield just by lifting up, and then it should pull right out. And now we can remove the complete burner assembly from the water heater tank. Here we have our flame sensor, and our igniter is right above it. The igniter is the flat part. You don't want to touch that part. This is the flame sensor, and you can see that it's pretty dusty. What you want to do here is just clean this up as best as you can with some steel wool, and 90% of the time this is going to get your gas water heater fired up and start burning again. But what I noticed as I was cleaning this flame sensor is that the wire going to the flame sensor is completely disconnected. I have no idea if it's even possible to reconnect this safely to where it won't pop out again, so I'm just going to replace the ignition assembly. If you have these water heaters on site, you want to have a bunch of ignition assemblies in stock because these do fail a lot, and they're just held into the burner assembly by one screw. And when you do replace this with a new part, it will come with a new igniter and flame sensor. It's a package deal. You just can't purchase them separately. They wouldn't even really be that easy to replace separately anyways. When reinstalling the burner assembly, look at that slit. That slit goes into that slot right in the middle of the bottom of the burner chamber. Just giving it a little wiggle and then lifting up to make sure that it does go into that slot. Reconnect our flare nut to the gas valve. And you also will have to swap out the wires to the old vapor sensor. Reinsert the ignition assembly plug. Put our little metal guard back in. Reinstall our cover before trying to start it up. Turn the gas supply back on and turn the power back on to the water heater. And don't forget to go through the closet around the fittings with the gas sniffer just to make sure that there's no gas leaks. Our ignition is on and gas valve fires. We are now heating up again. Thanks for watching. My name's Dave. See you on the next one.